Hey, fight good.
Is that a...
I don't know how to do this thing.
Hi. You got a fat boy? Can't get me.
I have to say, this is way bigger than what you feel like it will be.
So, what it is that the what do you have to say?
You think he because I read that these posts have to be just to the table. You think
It was nice and warm last night. What happened?
Dad, just hurry up.
No,
Just jump in.
no.
We're gonna keep spraying you.
You do, and I'll drown you when I get in.
We're gonna do that either way.
No.
Yeah.
Get him. Get him. There you go.
there you go.
It's too far over.
Now use your hands to paddle.
Okay. All right. There you go. Retard.
There you go. Oh, and there you go.
That's why we wanted you to sit in it. Oh, it actually.
How the hell are you so fast?
Well, I'm set to blow. You got my eye. Run! What the fuck? Did you see that counter? My eyes. Get him. Get him.
You're gonna be cold forever.
What do you mean?
Hey,
Sorry.
watch it.
He's getting in the These aren't waterproof phones.
I know.
Even though they make them.
Yeah, so watch it.
I was thinking of getting one until I saw they were $800.
Oh, forget that.